Now let me show you another important function which is having this. It is a harmonic generation. So this is harmonic. If I select, so frequency you can select the 1 kilohertz, then amplitude of. So basically this is having a built-in 8th order harmonic signal generation. So now first you want to set it the fundamental frequency. So for example, I am selecting the fundamental frequency always in harmonics is the sine wave and its frequency is 1 kilohertz. So I have set the fundamental frequency to the 1 kilohertz. Set amplitude to 10 volts peak to peak. So I have selected the output 10 volts peak to peak. Let's see this output on the oscilloscope. I am getting this 10 volts peak to peak signal on the output. So this is 1 kilohertz fundamental frequency sine wave with its amplitude setting to the 10 volts peak to peak. Now we all know that a Fourier synthesis, that square wave is defined by sin x plus sin 3x by 3 plus sin 5x by 5 plus sin 7x by 7. That means it is simply an addition of odd harmonics into a definite ratio, definite phase and definite polarity. All positive polarity sin x plus sin 3x by 3 plus sin 5x by 5 plus sin 7x by 7, and all sine components, so they are all in same phase. So now let's go to the harmonic function. So for example, I am going to the harmonic. So this is, I have selected this harmonic. Now you just scroll this, you will see that which type of harmonic signal you want to generate, odd, even. So I have selected the odd. You can change the phase as well, but I am not disturbing that. How many count? It is a 0 to 7, so it is a 8th harmonic to 7th harmonic. Now set the first harmonic is nothing but it's a fundamental which is set at 1 kilohertz 10 volts output. So now let's set the third harmonic. See, for example, set third harmonic. Let's go to the third harmonic. See, okay. Now we all know that which is sin x plus sin x by 3. So 10 by 3 is 3.33. So set its amplitude say to the 3.3 volts peak to peak. So I have set to the 3.3 volts peak to peak. Now go for 5. So it is a fifth harmonic. So now I will be setting the fifth harmonic. Set it to a 2 volts peak to peak. So I am setting it to the 2 volts peak to peak. Go to the 7th harmonic. So I am going to the 7th harmonic. See, okay, and set it for 1.428 volts peak to peak. So we have set these outputs. Now let's see what it shows. So if I go and if I connect, I am getting a square wave. So it is sin x plus sin 3x by 3 plus sin 5x by 5 plus sin 7x by 7, and I am getting a square wave. Now if I change or if I disturb this ratio, say for example, go back to the second harmonic. If I am going to the second harmonic, so a third harmonic, and setting its, instead of 3.3, I set its voltage to the 7 volts. You can see that the square wave shapes changes. So this is because I have disturbed the ratio, which is a fixed ratio, sin x plus sin 3x by 3 plus sin 5x by 5 plus sin 7x by 7. So this is a very good built-in 8th harmonic generation feature what this generator offers.